Okay, so finishing up my broccoli, I've used a 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. I've used 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I've used a tablespoon of black pepper, a tablespoon of garlic powder, and a tablespoon of roasted garlic seasoning salt. So this is what it's going to look like. I'm going to put another lid on this and shake it up really well before I put it on the oven. Okay, so here's my corn. Very simple, sweet corn, fresh, and a stick of butter that's cut into 4 pieces. At this point, I'm only going to put them on the smoker and let the butter melt, and these will be on for about 30 minutes. And then after 30 minutes, I'll put them on the grate and let them get some good grill marks on them and make them a little bit more tasty. So, okay, as you can see, I'm preheating the smoker just like you would an oven. You want to preheat it. I've got mine set at 225 degrees, and the temperature probe's not being used right now. There's nothing in there, but I'm not sure if you can see it, but there's the temperature probe reading. There's the 225 if that's your set cook. This is your current actual temperature. Some people ask, well, what's this here? And to be honest with you, I hardly ever use it. It's just kind of a general indicator. It's really nothing to be used as far as during your cook. But we'll let this preheat to 225. Then I'm going to put the corn on. Corn's going to cook for 30 minutes. So 10 minutes into that cook, I'm going to add the broccoli. And then I'm going to cook the broccoli for 20 minutes. So I'll take the corn and the broccoli off. And then I'll put the steaks on. The steaks will be going on last. And I will also put the corn back on the grill to give it some good grill marks. So that's the order of the cook, and I will give you another update here shortly. Okay, so I've added the broccoli. You can see I got a lot of garlic powder, Parmesan cheese, salt, pepper, and a good mixture, and olive oil. So I think that's going to be really good. I like the broccoli really soft and tender. To me, it just tastes better that way. And the corn is just corn with butter for now. I'm going to add some spices later, but for now I just want to cook the corn, melt the butter. I'm going to stir or roll the corn occasionally just to make sure it gets an even coat of butter. And then after that, I'm going to put the steaks on. And so with the steaks, I'm going to do a sear. So I'm going to sear first, which means I have to remove these 2 items, remove this grate, slide over the opening so that I can get the actual flame exposed. And then I'll turn that bad boy up to about 450 degrees, and then I'll put the steaks on to sear.